Manage message delivery setting on your Facebook Messenger. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can manage your message delivery setting on your Facebook Messenger. If you want to manage your message delivery setting on your Facebook Messenger, you can adjust various options related to notification, message request and any others. So here's the process how you can do that. First of all, launch the Messenger app on your device. Once you have launched your Messenger app, you have to tap on the profile icon which is on the top left corner. Once you are here, you have to navigate to the setting icon and you have to tap on the notification and sound. Here you can manage here. Just go for the notification and sound. Once you are on your notification sound, you can see the message notification. You have to toggle to enable or disable the notification here if you want. Also, you choose your notification sound for your message or enable or disable the vibration for incoming message here. So you can customize the notification sound here on your Messenger app. Let's go for the ringtone and you can select the other ringtone here. After that, go back and you can also scroll down to the message request to manage how you can handle the messages from the people not in your contact. Just go for the privacy and security here. And once you are on the privacy and security, you can adjust who can send you a message and how your information is shared here. Also, you can go for the message delivery. Here on your message delivery, the message delivery has set to the friend or friends on your Facebook. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily manage your delivery setting on your Facebook Messenger. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.